Hey guys, so I'm back in the Maverick today, and I'm going to try a mod that you could actually do for any car. It doesn't have to be the Maverick, but I'm going to do it on my Maverick, and it's a bit of a frivolous mod, but I think it's kind of fun. But what I have right here are these pot lights uh, that will display logo lights on the ground when you open the door, and it's a universal fit, so it'll work on anything. So your car doesn't have to have it. My Maverick does not have it. So I can't just change that bulb so it projects the car logo, but I'm going to try this universal fit. We'll give it a shot. All right, so let's see what's in the box. So here's the box, HD wireless welcome lamp. All right, so this is what it looks like. It gives you two of these things. And what it is just it uses AAA batteries, and it doesn't come with it. I put those AAA batteries in, and there's a little projector here, and this is the sensor. So it won't be on all the time or anything like that. It'll sense when, one, it's dark enough, and two, when the door actually opens. But that's the idea. We'll see how well it fits. And it looks like there's some infrared sensing tape just in case your car is not doing a good job. The color of your sills is not doing a good job of its sensing. It'll help it sense. And of course, some double-sided adhesive so that you can mount it to your side door. So for directions, the directions are in the back of the box. It's not too descriptive, but I don't think it should be too hard. Basically, you just stick it in, and if you need the tape, you need the tape. If you don't, you don't. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so let's install it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to clean it with some alcohol. It gets rid of the dust and dirt or whatever that might be there. And of course, you want the lamp side projected down. So I'm just going to see where I want it. I'm going to say right about there. I don't really even know. I'll use the double-sided tape. I'm not sure why there's the centerpiece, but I don't think it matters too much how you do the tape. And get that in there. All right. Put it right there. Just gonna hold it in for like 30 seconds or something. Let it set. All right, and that should be it. So let's make sure I could close the door. You don't want to do it too low where the door actually hits the thing. So let's do the other side. All right, so I'm on the driver's side right now, and I figure I'll put it something like this. I think that's it. Done with installation. Let's make sure I can close the door. I'm going to put in some batteries, and we're going to come back at night and check this out. Okay, so it's not completely dark, but it's dark enough to test this out. So let's give it a shot. Look at that. I think it looks pretty cool. Let's check out the other side. Okay. So it's kind of a fun thing. Let's test it and make sure the lights turn off when you close the door. And yes, you do not see the lights on. When you open the door, it senses it and it turns on. Pretty cool. Here's a look from another angle. Not bad.